We have a situation. The water activation indicator is on but no HF has been detected. For what I see on the HMI, we have two monitors manually activated. Where are they? They are not in the main area. They must be in the existing area. Huh. Monitors 19 and 18 are activated. Do you remember how to manually control them? Just bring up the virtual joystick and select the monitor. However, in this case, I want to show you the monitor status screen. This display provides an overview of the status of every monitor in the system. These are the valve state indicators: green for open, red for closed. The water indicator will turn on when water pressure has been confirmed by the pressure switch. These are the monitor motion indicators for rotation, elevation and pattern: blue for set point, green for actual values. Do you see the rotation set point changing? Monitor 19 is turning right. Now monitor 19 is moving up. Now we have status for communication, enclosure pressurization, common trouble alarm, home position and the motion control drives. Steady green means OK, blinking red means trouble. The manual operation button will bring up the virtual joystick if we need to manually control the monitors. I am going to show you how to disable a monitor in case it needs to be serviced. Let's go to Settings, then we need to log in to gain access to the Tech Settings screen. Enter an administrative username and password. Now we can access the Tech Settings screen. Now we will enable the Enable Disable button on the monitor status display. Then we go back to the monitor status screen. Now we can disable monitors 16 and 17 so we will not get any alarms from them, except for the OK light blinking red. Let's re-enable these two monitors again. Let's go back to the Tech Settings screen and see what we can do from there. Test Mode button, used to test the PLC logic with the HMI. Disable Detector Fault Alarms, disable Monitor Alarms. The Enable Monitor button, used to show this button on each monitor, as already discussed. The gas detector set point screen allows us to adjust the high and high alarms of each open path detector and also all of the point gas detectors. I will change this high alarm set point to 400 parts per million meter. Let's go back to the Tech Settings screen. The Modbus Enable button enables the DCS Modbus TCP interface, and the byte swap button comes very handy to fix representation issues at the client side. Last but not least, the PLC diagnostics screen. It is very helpful to troubleshoot PLC and software issues. Needless to say, you have to know what you are doing when using this special settings screen. We have our system armed in auto mode, no new alarms present. No monitors active at this time, no gas leaks detected. I am going to use this opportunity to show you the gas detector status screens and also how to simulate a gas leak event. You can navigate the gas detector status screen from these buttons at the top of the display, based on tag numbers. This is the button for the laser open path detectors. You can also access the monitors from this button. Let's take a look at point gas detector 6887. Here's the tag number. Gas concentration value. Then the communications link. Fault. Common trouble alarm. High alarm. High alarm. In calibration mode. The Enable-Disable button is very useful to service a gas detector or simply take it offline for any reason. The Simulator button allows us to simulate a gas leak at a particular point. Let's simulate a gas leak at this point and observe what happens. We see the high alarm indication, red LED blinking. We also see the alarm detail, with timestamp and exact location. Then the hydrogen fluoride gas leak indicator also blinking red. No water yet. We need another point gas detector to trigger a mitigation event. We can click the alarm button to see the alarm screen. I will silence the alarm. Now we can go to the main screen and confirm the location of this simulated gas leak. Now let's turn this simulation off. Keep in mind that the PLC has already captured this first event. It will remain in the logic even after we have removed the simulation. Just like with a true leak, the only way to remove this event is with a system reset.